Hey there, Steve Rubis with another installment of Capital Markets Investor Relations in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to talk about what LYFT's fourth quarter earnings mistake teaches us. And the key takeaway is this: don't be the guy or gal who edits earnings materials at 4:59 for a 5 p.m. call. I'm not saying this is what happened, but clearly a huge mistake was made on LYFT's fourth quarter earnings release. And so what actually happened? The company made a miscalculation in terms of some of the forward guidance it gave. Essentially, the release claimed a 500 basis point improvement that was only 50 basis points. What's a 10x difference amongst friends? And an error in a press release is an investor relations officer's worst nightmare. No one appreciates the amount of time spent checking and building these materials, and the number of sleepless nights that go into worrying, is a number going to be wrong when we publish this press release? And that's the thing here. Guidance is a gray area in all of these materials. Who owns guidance? Is it the CEO, the CFO, FP&A, accounting, investor relations? And that's why it's easy to fall through the cracks. And really, this is where the best use of artificial intelligence comes in terms of investor relations. Can you use artificial intelligence to tick and tie and check the numbers in your press releases? Every person hates doing this. Let's get computers to do it and not make mistakes going forward. So what's the impact of a mistake like this? Well, it depends on your stock's performance. If your stock is doing well, no one cares, you get a pass. But if the stock is doing poorly and you're struggling with financial expectations management, the IR person is going to get a "who loves you, baby" from investors and management, and probably a severance as well. So the other part of this is that management has to understand that these mistakes can cause a credibility hit for burning the shorts. You have to ask yourself, is it worth it to my tenure to burn those shorts? Those shorts may be along at some point in the future. So thanks for watching. Always here to help with your capital markets, investor relations, and corporate finance needs.